It's one of the most popular treatments. A lot of celebrities around the world use the Emsculpt machine. What it does, it helps to build the muscle and burn fat in the area. It works with two technologies, radio frequency, which is heat, and the high flow, which is contraction during the area. How the heat for the radio frequency works, it just helps to raise the muscle temperature, exposes it to stress. Basically, it's quite similar to workouts that you would normally do at the gym, where the high flow technology, it does with contractions, is contracting the muscles. It helps you to reach those areas of the muscles which can be difficult during a voluntary workout. So what it's doing, it's building the muscle and just burning the fat area. Normally during these sessions, the treatment, you will see about a 25% growth in muscle volume, and you will see about 30% less fat reduction. So it's just killing the fat cells in that part of the body, making it strong and building muscle that you need. So you're not putting so much stress on the workout, or with the treatment, it helps you to see even more results as well.